We look at what we call the judiciary, yes.
Actually, I was a very shy girl, by the way. So one day I was just called and they told me to write a speech and present it for the International Women's Day at school. So these debates actually help us to gain more confidence to speak to bigger audiences.
Eranga ekyo kimaniibu kubona bwe tukolera awalala okutaawo platform enaleeta abaana abawala mu busoga ku boodi basobole okufuna training oba okwegeresebwa oba okututumulwa mu skills mu kukulankulana mu ngeri ey'okuba obukulembeze.
One of the things why we organize such debates, and particularly this panel debate, is to make sure we foster a sense of inclusivity within young people. That is to make sure they have ideas about things like democracy, civic engagement, and they know their roles, particularly as citizens.